Stop eating cake. Less sugar, less coffee, less alcohol, more love. This is delicious. I love it. Are you tired of New Year's resolutions? I'm sure you are. I'm gonna be a little bit more creative and I'll give you some krambolutions. And if you follow those resolutions, you'll be growing as a dancer for sure. Share the love of salsa. At the salsa party, try to ask at least 3 people you don't know and you never have danced with. Ask him or her to dance and do it 3 times, at least 3 times. If you do it 5 times, you're the best. At the end of the class, ask your teacher a specific question about the technique, about the turns, about the finger positioning, about breathing maybe, or foot positioning. Okay, you can ask also about the music your instructor likes.
What makes you laugh or what makes you smile?
About the inspiration your instructor gets. Okay, if you love your instructor, okay, just try to get a little bit more into his mind and ask those questions. At the party, at the festival, when you see somebody who is really dancing well and you love it, you feel like, oh my god, this guy, this girl is amazing. Share that appreciation, okay? Just tap the shoulder and tell that person, I love how you dance, and simple as that. It means a lot to the dancer, being appreciated. Let's appreciate, tell somebody you liked him or her. If you have never ever taken a Rumba or Afro class, take one. Many great things will happen if you understand what's Rumba about, what's Afro about. Go to a Rumba class, go to an Afro class, take the Palo class, okay, go crazy with it. If you have never taken a Bachata or Kizomba class, you don't need to. If you like any particular salsa song, find it on Google, find the lyrics, translate it if you're not a Spanish-speaking person like me. Try to translate it and know what is the song about, what is Despacito about. You could be disappointed or you could be surprised, but it's also showing that you appreciate the tradition, you appreciate the culture, and you try to not only take, but you also give something, you give your interest, you give your energy to it. For example, if you hear in a song a word corazón, okay, it means heart. You can always touch your heart when you hear it. Don't be afraid of taking more advanced classes, so you can try and challenge yourself, okay? Don't get discouraged if you can't keep up with the class, and maybe be careful about your partners. If you dance partner work and you can't keep up, your partner might be a little bit grumpy at the end. But just be fair and tell that person, I'm sorry I'm a beginner, but I want to try, I want to challenge myself, and I will do my best to finish and to understand what's going on. And don't be scared, don't be afraid, just be positive, try to clean your mind and learn as much as you can. Next tip is this. If you are bored of practicing alone, why don't you ask somebody to practice with you? Ask a friend. You'll be surprised how many people are like dreaming of having a dance pal. Okay, so why don't you write a post on Facebook or a Facebook group? Let's meet together, let's try this partner work, let's try out this or that. Meeting with friends, setting a time, setting a day will help you a great deal to become a better dancer, to grow and to practice more regularly than you would do it by yourself. So ask a friend. The next challenge, I particularly love it because it's about being positive and saying yes to any possibility you will have for a week, for a month, for 2 weeks maybe. Set the time and say yes to any opportunity.
No. You say no to life, and therefore you're not living.
If somebody asks you to go for a workshop with you to another city, say yes to that, okay? Go for it. If you go to a social, you're social in your city and somebody asks you to dance, say yes. If you say yes for a month, you will share your positive energy with other people and other people will love it, so do it. One more thing, which is probably one of the most difficult to do, is to record yourself.
I've asked Paulina to videotape you tonight, so you can see what you're doing wrong.
Then analyze it. It's never perfect, trust me. So, is your basic step clean? Is your timing alright? Are you rushing or are you dragging? My advice would be record yourself. Don't be afraid of that, okay? Suck it up. If you see yourself for the first time, you will be shocked for sure. Try to watch it one more time, okay? And you will be improving your dancing for sure. I think for every dancer it's great once in a while to go in a basic class, especially if you have the great artist giving basic classes. You need to go and take those classes. Okay? If you are in Krakow, take a basic class with me, and you will see that some details that you might have omitted when you were actually learning the basic classes, now it's gonna be all clear, and it's gonna, you know, put everything in order in your mind. So you will become, you know, more organized, you'll become cleaner, you'll become more aware of what you're doing. Thank you guys very much. This was Marcin, krambodance. Happy New Year!